Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be coloring Isabela from Disney's Encanto. And if you want to draw this drawing yourself, just Google Drastic Cute how to draw Isabela. The paper that I'm coloring on today is just your basic 8.5 by 11 Xerox paper that I've printed my drawing on. And the markers are just your basic alcohol markers, nothing too special about them. The reason I like these is because it's just a little bit more inexpensive and they have the brush tip, which I love. And I'm also using some colored pencils just to put in some blush and to bring out some highlights, and a whiteout pen to bring even more shine to the drawing. So I really hope you're enjoying watching me color Isabela here, and I just wanted to give you some tips on what I like to do when I use markers to color. Basically with markers, it's much easier to go darker than to try to go lighter. So always keep that in mind, cuties, when you're coloring with markers, to always go with the lightest shade first and then build up on that. So like the skin tone, she does have a much darker complexion, but I used a lighter brown and I just kept building it up until I got the right color that I wanted, but using the same marker, and let's just keep going, let it dry a little bit and then go back in, and then just keep adding the layers. And for her hair, because it is black, it is kind of tricky, because if you go too light, then she starts looking like she has gray hair, and you don't want her to look like she has gray hair because that would make her look old, right? If you go too dark, then it's all black and you won't see any strands or highlights. So just try kind of like find like a medium gray and then keep building it up with the strands, and then with a black at the end. And what's nice about black though is because it is so dark, the white colored pencil does show a little bit better. So you can always go back in with a white colored pencil to bring out some more strands. And definitely if you have a whiteout pen, that's a really nice touch at the end to bring out some shine. As for her dress, it's the same thing like her skin tone. I just used the lightest purple I could find, purple pink, and then I let it dry a little bit after I filled in everything, and then I go back in with the same color, and I just go back and add some more of these shadows, and just to build it up, just to give it more depth. And after that, you can just go back in once again with the white color pencil just to bring out some shine a little bit. And hopefully that makes it look like it has more volume to her dress. And as for her blush, I just like to use a color pencil it's just much easier to work with. I can control it a little bit better than trying to go in there with a reddish marker and then creating a mess with all the streaks. So because I'm not using marker paper, this is just your regular Xerox paper. It will not blend as easily, so color pencil will definitely be much easier. And you can always go back in with color pencils to put in more details and more depth to the dress, to basically everything if you wanted to really build this up. So, but I just wanted to stick with the basics today, and I really hope you love how it turned out and that this really inspires you to give it a try. And I really hope you love this new coloring videos that I'm trying to do for the start of 2022, to try something new. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and let me know if this really helps you. And thanks so much for watching, cuties, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.